crackhead, or nowhere.
Oh, what movie did you get?
I have no idea. Oh my gosh! Isn't that the cutest house you've ever seen?
It is! Oh my gosh!
I can raise a whole family there!
Oh.
With like children and stuff.
You need to cut the grass first though.
And put up a fence.
Yeah.
A white fence. Like Tom Sawyer. You okay? Yeah, anyway. Yeah, I can put a sunset right there.
Oh, somebody left their light on.
That's for them.
Electricity bill's gonna go up.
Excuse me, this is my car. Who are you? Fuck! How old are these cheeseburgers? God!
I may be homeless and a bum, but that does not mean I do drugs. No. And everything I eat, straight pierogies. Black and Polish, black and Polish, black and Polish, black and Polish. Every time you see us in your town, we can hold it down. Black and Polish, black and Polish.